మిత్రులారా, బంధువులారా, వనకము స్వాగతము. Welcome to South Asia Maps Education Channel. This is your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, J. Tirupati Reddy. మిత్రులారా, today we are continuing our agriculture series. This is part 25 presentation. The title of today's presentation is The Tamil People and Rice Plant. And Tamils and rice symbiosis. Humans with the rest of the organisms will have symbiotic or asymbiotic relationships or parasitic relationships and so on. That means Tamils grow rice plants and the rice plants feed the Tamils people. Symbiosis, that means there are around about 82 million residents in the Tamil Nadu province of Dakshinapatha, South India. Here I have assumed every resident is a Tamil. That may not be the case, and I also ignored the ethnic Tamils living across the Palk Strait in the Sri Lankan and Malaysia and Singapore are worldwide. So we have not taken them into consideration. The residents of Tamil Nadu are Tamils, 82 million people or so. They have a symbiotic relations with 500 billion plants. This is a topic broadly covers about agriculture, rice agronomy and rice cropping, but I will try to weave these things very interestingly, very intuitively. This will be very productive for agricultural graduates interested in agriculture and also will be very interesting to a general audience how we come to this conclusion after this presentation. Mitrulara, I have posted a similar, this is our agriculture series, that is at our presentation agriculture series. This is the part 25. I may add later some more as time permits. Part 25 we are looking at Tamils, rice symbiosis. About 82 million Tamils in Tamil Nadu province of Deccan, Dakshinapatha have a symbiotic relation with around about 500 billion rice plants per annum. 500 billion means almost half trillion rice plants. This fascinating saga, how we connect these points, we'll explore together. And all these presentations, Mitronam, you can find at South Asia Maps JRD. That is my YouTube channel, education channel. I have more than 700 or so presentations. In 2025 January, I have put them in round about 70 or so playlists. You can pick and choose the appropriate topic of your interest. South Asia Maps JRD. And broad introduction to Tamil Nadu province. This is the planet Earth, 360 units surface, water surface 150 units, land surface million square kilometers. Egypt being exactly 1 million square kilometers. Here I am showing. You should remember 3 zeros he had. Egypt has 1 million square kilometers. Bharat is 3.2 million square kilometers. Tamil Nadu province is 0.13 million square kilometers, means 130 followed by 30 square kilometers. That's the broader understanding you should have to begin with. I will go over each of them in detail. So, very intuitive, you have to pay a little more attention. So, remember, 1 square kilometer is 100 hectares. You have add 2 zeros. That is 250 acres. Hectare is 2.5 acres. So here, for the people who are not aware, in India they follow lakhs and crores. Lakh has a 5 zeros in front of it, one followed by 5 zeros. Crore has one followed by 7 zeros. The standard system is million, that has 6 zeros. Next one, billion is 9 zeros, trillion is 12. This you have to have an idea. Trillion is very easy to remember. That is 12. T and 12. So we got it. Those things clear. We are talking about the rice crop pattern, rice agriculture, rice farming, broadly rice husbandry, rice agronomy. We have assumed a rice plant is planted 20 by 20 centimeters apart, called spacing. Tamil Nadu area land area is 13 million hectares. Cropland is round about, I think 8 million hectares. Maybe this is the rice in that area is 2.1 million hectares. Sometimes the figures may vary where we have taken the statistics and what year we have taken. So it's a broad idea. So let's start over. You have 1 hectare means 100 meters this side, 100 meters this side. So 1 hectare of land, that means 100 and 100. That means there are 4 zeros. This is all in square meters. Remember, this is meters. We are talking 100 meters, 100 meters. 1 hectare is 1 followed by 4 zeros, square meters. Remember, 1 meter has 100 centimeters. That means you scale that one, you add 4 more zeros. That means 1 hectare has 8 zeros. That is in square centimeters. So this has to be very clear to you. So whatever here I have shown, I will be talking about the same thing here in a bigger font. That's the only thing. We'll revert back that one later. So we have 1 hectare here. We have 1 hectare here. That has, we have concluded there are 8 zeros, that is square kilometers, centimeters, square centimeters. That means 1 followed by 8. Remember, we have taken the rice plant planted spacing 20 by 20. That is an assumption. It can vary a little bit this side or that side, but we are just zeroing on 2020. That is 400 square centimeters to have a things clear for audience. That means there will be in this 1 hectare area, there will be, if you divide this 1 followed by 8 zeros, denominator 400, you will get 25,000 plants with this spacing, 20 centimeters. That means 5 per hectare, there will be 250,000 plants per hectare rice plant. That means 2.5 lakhs. In the standard word, this is zero point 0.2 million, 0.25 million plants reside per hectare. That is very easy, 250,000 plants per hectare. Remember, that is per hectare. If you make it 1 million hectare, that means you add 1 million. 250 followed by 3 zeros followed by 1 million. So how many zeros we have? 6 zeros here, 3 zeros here, 9 zeros here. That's what I am putting. 9 zeros is 1 billion. So 250 followed by 9 zeros, that is billion. 250 billion plants reside in 1 million hectares cropland. Around about 2020 or so, Tamil Nadu province has a rice area cropped around about 2 million hectares. Area of the rice in Tamil Nadu, 2.1 million actually, but we round it up to 2. That means you multiply this into 2. That means you'll get 500 billion rice plants residing in 2 million hectares of rice cropped area in Tamil Nadu province. That means there are round about 500 billion plants and feeding round about 82 million Tamils. Remember, the exports, imports we are not considering. We are just taking a broader idea and weaving the society, culture and cropped areas with the human beings. So there are around about 22 million people in 2011, that is census data, and around about this is regarded 2025. 2025 there are around about 82 million people. This is a broad assumption we have made. So in the rice agronomy in Tamil Nadu, there are round about 500 billion rice plants feeding 82. That means 500 billion rice plants have a symbiotic relationship with 82 million Tamil people. That is, half trillion rice plants have symbiotic relationship with 82 million people. Remember, trillion is 12 zeros, billion is 6 zeros. So this is in general about the Tamil Nadu province. Here this is a 1 square kilometer is 100 hectare to 50 acres. And this is the northern Arakadu, north of Kaveri Mata river, Baramahal region, Arakadu, south is the Kongu Nadu and Vaigai Madurai region and Poligar territory, Tirunelveli. This is the historic world. The political units. The land of Rajaraja Chola passed away 1014 and Rajarshi Maharaja Sherfoji, Maratha ruler of Tanjavur province, passed away 1832, and Rajarshi Chakravarti Shriman Rajgopalachari, Governor General and of Bharat, also Premier of Madras Presidency for 2 times. He hailed from this region. I have taken the similar approach and discerned about the corn and human corn symbiosis and human rice symbiosis, like that. How many on the planet Earth? You can look at that in the appropriate series I have posted. The roundabout like 1 square kilometer, 1,000 kilometers all the side. Egypt has roundabout 1 million square kilometers. So I have explored that intuitively in some other place. The cropland in South India, Dakshinapatha, here this is the surface area. I have put 13 here because 130.13 million square kilometers becomes, because you have to add 2 zeros, right? So that becomes 13 million hectares. Half of it almost like a cropland here. Cropland in India, Tamil Nadu province is around about 8 million hectares, surface area 13 million hectares. The historic Tamil Nadu, like Arcot region and Baramahal, that is Salem district, Kongu Nadu, Kovai and Madurai Vaigai region, Tirunelveli, Nanjing Nadu, Kanyakumari and modern districts. You may be interested. I have talked somewhere else in the district series. You can explore. Tamil Nadu Maharaja Sherfoji, Rajesh Sherfoji, Tanjavur Maratha ruler, and a great builder of temples, Rajarshi, Rajaraja Chola, Brihadishwara temple. Here I have garnered that area round about, somewhere I googled Tamil Nadu rice acreage. You see, this 6 zeros is means a million. 1.9 million hectares in this particular 2023. We rounded it up to 2.0 to make the things easier for the audience. So what did I talk today, Mitranam? Today I talked about the fascinating Tamil people and rice symbiosis. Sri Lanka is 65,000 square kilometers, double it. Tamil Nadu is 130 million thousand square kilometers, means 0.13 million square kilometers, that means 13 million hectares, among which around about 8 million hectares is the cropland, among which 2 million hectares is the rice cropped area. 82 million or so people live in 2025. So 82 million people have a symbiotic relation with around about 5 billion rice plants, that is half a trillion rice plant we explored, and this intuitive way how we come to that figure I explored. Hope these things will be interesting, and if you like these presentations you can post your comments or any suggestions you want to listen, and I will see you in other presentations. Your presenter Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps, J. Tirupati Reddy, your education channel. See you later, Mitrana.